And what's his plan for the white man?
But I'm saying,
what's his plan for the white man?
That's right.
To be up under your butt and give you all
A little more than that.
Yeah.
So what is?
Rape, rob, murder you, give you all
That's a punishment for the white man?
No, for you.
No. I said, what's the punishment that God has for the white man? That's what we talking about. Possibly. Possibly. Tell her, like you see, like let me tell you, so y'all get her, y'all get a good look at this sister. When she thought I was talking about black people, she didn't have no problem saying the punishments, the murders, the rape, and all that. When I said, what does the white man get? Possibly.
That's right.
Possibly. So you can, but you can speak for the Most High in regards to black people, but you're afraid for the white man. Y'all see the problem? Y'all see what she doing right here? That's every black person. She loves white people.
That's right.
Shalom Israel. The ISUPK under Commanding General Yohana presents the Big 5-0, the 50th annual Lord's Passover. Commanding General Yohana bought out the entire hotel. Lock in your hotel room now. For more info, contact Captain Zakar 718-673-5165. Call now to secure your room for the Passover. To get your rooms at a low rate, call Captain Zakar 718-673-5165. Friday, Hebrew Academy Trials. Saturday, the Passover. Sunday, Feast of Unleavened Bread. Let's all celebrate under one roof. What the Most High did to the Egyptians.
Kill them all and done. Kill them all and done. Tall rifle all and done. Wildlife are done.
Okay, no sweat. Can you come a little closer so I can hear you? Don't be afraid. We ain't gonna bite you.
I know you're not.
No sweat.
Everything that you're going through, everything that the Caucasian man does, is because the Most High sanctions it.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
He's being perfectly negative. He's being perfectly wicked. He's carrying out the job and the role that the Most High gave to him. Okay? You, or not you, but we are in the state that we're in. We are in the state that we're in because of what we did, and deservedly so. So since everybody's playing their part, when and how will you get out of this?
How will we get out of it? Okay.
All of us.
Okay, hold on. Give me 2 Corinthians 10.
Because we already know this story.
All right.
You know what
So
I'm
the
saying?
sister's question was, the white man is doing the job perfectly that the Most High gave him, and it's our disobedience that got us in this condition.
Right. And
So
that's
how
why
do
we won't wake up, and that's why
right?
we're
So
hurting
how
each
do we
other.
get out of that
When?
condition?
Why is it taking so long? And
Okay.
how?
It's taking so long because nobody wants to serve the Most High. That's why. That's the short, easy answer. You see how, like, I give a prime example. All y'all brothers and sisters is out here listening, right? If y'all don't grab that flyer and come to class, that's why it's taking so long.
Right. Right.
When I heard this word, the moment that I heard this word, and I grabbed that flyer, I used to drive to Philly 5 days a week. I used to work my slavery from 8:30 to 5, drive 2 hours to Philadelphia 5 days a week, and then my school reduced it to 4 days. Then they reduced it to 3 days. That my school did that. They made me stop coming. And at the same time as they made me stop coming, we built this school up in here in New York. So now, if you wanted to stop, you have to do something. The scriptures say in Ezekiel is that the truth is like a lovely song. You ever hear your favorite song on the radio? It make you real nostalgic. You feel real good. You start thinking about the first time that you heard it. That's what the Bible is to those that hear this word and do nothing. The scriptures say the kingdom of heaven cometh not with observation. You know how you observe something, like astronomers and people into the stars, they observe the stars and they say, oh, I see that plane going by. And you just observe it. The Lord didn't give us these records and the solution to observe it. The Lord gave us the solution and these records to do something about it. You got 2 Corinthians 10 chapter? Start at verse 4. Read verse 4.
From the book of 2 Corinthians, chapter 10, verse 4. For the weapons of our warfare are not carnal.
Understand this. When it says the weapons of our warfare are not carnal, You're not going to defeat the white man with a gun. He manufactures the guns. He manufactures the bullet. You think the cat that you're going to war with going to supply you with the weapons to defeat him with? No. You're not going to beat him that way. And if y'all notice, every movement that tried to do that failed. The Black Panthers failed. Muslims never tried. Whatever militia group you want to try, always fail. Because that's not the way we defeat this oppressor that we're under. We have to first be united ourselves. Which is why I said, if you grab this flyer and don't come, what you're saying is, you want to be divided. You want to continue. You made a statement and said we don't support each other, right? Wait, before you say that, but you did make that statement that we don't support each other, right? So if y'all don't come to class and join me, then you're not supporting each other. We're not doing it. Now, it says the weapons of our warfare are not carnal. Keep going.
But mighty through God.
That's what we don't want to understand. The might has to come through God. We all think we children of God. How many think you're a child of God? Put your hand up. Don't be afraid. Right? You know your father's about warfare. Your father's a killer.